welcome back. I'm doing a Friday favorites and flops. I know, I've been so terrible this summer. I thought I was gonna be better, but when it comes to filming in the summer, I genuinely just feel like I'm just terrible at it. I was concentrating on my health journey this summer, which I will be filming a full video just talking about what I did, because I've had a lot of questions and I got a lot of questions from you guys. I'm compiling it all into a video. I'm trying to decide if I should just do a question and answer first and then do another video where I include clips of like working out at the beginning and all through the process, or if I should save that, because I did film several clips like throughout the process, but I kind of wanted to wait until I hit my ultimate goal to share the final part of everything, where like you can really see the footage of what I looked like prior, and then throughout the journey. I kind of want to wait till I get to that end point, which I'm not even close to the end point. So that's why I've been struggling on how I'm going to sort of format the weight loss video. So it's not like I'm trying to put it off, but that's the reason. But anyways, hopefully you guys all had a great summer. My kids are back at school. Yes, that gives me so much more freedom to film and kind of work it around. This last year, I really did take a lot of time sort of off of my channel to get my health in order, and now I really feel like I'm in these routines and I'm able to schedule things better, so I'm going to be trying to film more videos. But I've had a lot of favorite products that I've used throughout this summer or that are new to me that I wanted to share with you guys, so I had a Friday favorites. First, I want to start with, I've talked about this jewelry before. This is Miranda Frye, and I mentioned in a recent video how there were several new pieces. I think it was an empties video. I don't know which is going to come up first or second, but Miranda Frye just recently came out with some new pieces. This is a long necklace that I double wrapped, and then it has this really cool courage charm. It's like a lion. So anyways, I love this. I picked the charms that really, I think this is either strength or courage. I'm pretty sure it's courage. But I picked the charms that just spoke to me on like what I want to be reminded of. And yeah, so I really love the courage charm. And then these earrings, they're just so beautiful. They're like the Miranda Frye hoops, the MF hoops. So I love them a lot, and I think they're like just really fun hoops. So anyways, there's a bunch of new jewelry. I do have a discount code, which is just Lola, and I think you can get free shipping with that. So definitely check. I always leave the pieces linked down below that I'm wearing, or the Miranda Frye discount code and link. But these have for sure been a favorite this week for me, but they're just my all-time favorite jewelry. I feel like the pieces are extremely quality. Some of the pieces that I purchased when I first discovered, they have lasted through, they haven't tarnished, they've worn really well, and they're pieces that I've worn over and over and over for the past 4 years. So I really love them. I definitely highly recommend them. And yeah, so, and I just looked down, like I haven't tried any of their rings yet, but a goal of mine was, my fingers were too chubby to get on rings before. Now that I'm working out, like I just kind of take my wedding ring off, and I always forget to be putting stuff back on. Means nothing, by the way. Means nothing. It's just my wedding ring is getting a little bit big. So, but one of my goals was to be able to wear different jewelry on my fingers, because they were just so chubby, and now they're getting like more looking like hands. So I will be trying out some of the Miranda Frye rings to be able to share with you guys, because I have had a lot of questions from people about their rings, because they have a really cool, unique rings. So anyways, I'm just gonna get on to some of my beauty favorites. Okay, well this isn't really beauty, but well, maybe it is. I ordered these little clips from Amazon, and I love them. Really, I wanted to find these little tortoise ones because I just thought it was like cute. When I was on vacation, I saw this girl and she was just like wearing her hair like really cute like this. Not necessarily with her bangs like this, but she just like had this really cute little sort of like bun in, and then she had these just clipped on the side, and like her hair was like in this cute little like knot in the back, and it was like very effortless, and I thought it looked so cute. And so I ordered these like acrylic clips. They were super inexpensive and come with a bunch of fun colors. My daughters have even worn them. They really like them, and they said they were comfortable for the whole day. So I've been wearing these two mainly, but I also ordered these as well, so I had a bunch of options. I wanted one of these like real big pearly ones as well, so I ordered these. Now these are the snap ones, and the rest of these are like clip like this, like alligator clip. I will leave a link to these clips if you guys are interested. I just thought they were fun to add like a little bit of pizzazz to the hair, just something different. Okay, I did an entire post about this product on my Instagram because I love it so much. This is the Tanologist Face and Body Drops Serum. This is the Self Tan Drops Dark. I love this. As you can see, I've been using it almost all summer, and it's just still, this is how much I've used. And I use like an entire syringe full every single time. It smells good. You can add it to your moisturizer at night. You wake up and your skin is tan on your face. I use it for face, not necessarily for body, but I love this stuff so much because it gives a really nice tan. I feel like when I was in Michigan, I don't usually tan my face, but my body started to get really tan, and I was like, okay, now my face, I have to match it with the makeup. So I really wanted to have something to like just give myself a little bit of color. Now, just one application, you're gonna notice results in the morning. So it's not like you have to be building this up to see results. But if you want to, you definitely can. Like, it's nice to be built up over time. I will say that when it does start to come off, if you do drag it down your neck, like, it does get a little bit squirrely on your neck. So just make sure, you know, you're exfoliating and then it will come off. But I used this a ton this summer and I love this product. I did hear that it was clearancing out, so I found it at Target. So if you have a Target near you, check to see if this is clearanced out. I believe I bought mine for $17, but I heard it's going on like half price clearance. So definitely pick it up if you can find it. It's really, really nice. It says it's clean, vegan, organic, odorless technology, transparent tanning system. So I agree with all the claims and I've really enjoyed this product. So I just add like a syringe of it to my nightly moisturizer and just moisturize my face. Okay, let's talk about moisturizers. These are I have a night and day moisturizers that I've been using a ton. This is the Too Faced Hydrating and Lightweight Hangover Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25 Moisturizer. This is with coconut water, prebiotic and probiotic. I like this because it is really nice and hydrating. It makes your skin feel plump, and also it has SPF in it. So I've been using this in the mornings, and I go for a walk in the morning, so I always make sure my moisturizer, I use an extra SPF on top of this, but I like using a moisturizer with SPF in it. So I've really been loving this. It smells really good and it just feels really nice and hydrating on the face. So if you haven't tried this out yet, definitely recommend it. Two products that I have been trying for a week now, and I really love these. These are from Glow Recipe. Like, look how cute the jar is on these. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So one is an eye cream and one is a face cream. It just has a really nice texture to it. The eye cream just goes on. It feels like, again, makes you feel like super plump and hydrating. And I just feel like my face just soaks it up, and I've really been loving these. I wanted to read one of the claims because honestly, one of the claims was the reason that I was so excited to use this, because it's something I struggle with. The eye mask says that it's gentle but potent encapsulated vegan retinol, and it has hyaluronic acid time release to deliver a soft burst of powerful actives to treat dark circles and milia. I struggle with the milia, which is the little white bumps, and this helps to treat milia. So I've been using this, and I always have to be careful with eye creams. Some of the most hydrating eye creams give me milia, so I love the fact that this is extremely hydrating eye cream, but it has ingredients in it that help treat milia. And then the Retinol Sleeping Mask, it just says that it has retinol, restores and firms The avocado helps soothe acne and inflamed skin, and really just the ingredients to help for tired skin. I've been tired recently. I'm doing a lot of physical activity, and yeah, so my face, I'm gonna need some plumpness, I'm gonna need some hydration, and I have been loving these two. So you can find them at Sephora. The price on the avocado eye sleeping mask is $42, and then the regular is $49. Okay, we have some Old Faithfuls here. Now, who remembers the color tattoos? I had every single color tattoo from Maybelline that ever existed. Bad to the Bronze was my absolute favorite, so I went into Target looking for the Bad to the Bronze shade, and I don't know, is it discontinued? I'm kind of sad. But I ended up finding this one in Socialite, and I've been wearing this all summer. This is just a really pretty, nice, natural, pinkish shade. I have it all over my lid today, and it's just a really pretty, easy, super duper quick. Like if you want something that you're in and out, like, I gotta put a little color on there. It has like that little pinkish color, like a champagne glow to it. I love this product so much. These are so easy. They stay all day. If you haven't tried the Maybelline color tattoos, you must try them. They're just really a nice go-to to have in your collection. And then I pulled these out this summer. I've been wearing them so much. These are the Loreal Infallibles. These are my two favorite shades. I have Bronzed Taupe and this Iced Latte. That's what's in my inner corner. This is just such a beautiful, brightening, like again, champagne icy color. I love this. It's super metallic, so I mean, if you're gonna wear this, you can wear it all over the lid, or like I said, in your inner corner, you could use that as a highlight. It's just such a beautiful color. And then Bronze Taupe is just a really pretty lid shade or outer corner shade. A lot of people are scared to use shimmer in their crease. I'm not, and I always actually end up loving the look, so I have been wearing that color in my crease and I just love it. So that's the Bronze Taupe. These are not to be forgotten because they are such great products and super affordable. So check out the Loreal Infallibles. They have a bunch of really pretty colors. If these aren't for you, I know they have some more bronzy shades, and they have like green shades and colorful shades, so definitely check these out. But these are just like the two colors that remind me of like old school, like getting into makeup for the first time. When I started my channel, these kind of came out, and I remember they were all the craze, especially with those Maybelline color tattoos. Okay, I have been going to cream blush a ton this summer, and I always pull this color out, and I have to just mention it again. It's the Makeup Forever HD. This is the Second Skin Cream Blush in 410. This is like a coral shade. It looks intimidating in the pan, but I promise you it's not. This is my favorite cream blush formula. That's just super duper creamy and nice, but when you blend it into the skin, it just gives this really pretty. So I usually put like a lot right here, and then I take a stippling brush and I just pick up some of the color, and then I just want to show it to you like blended out. So I'm just going to blend out. It just really gives like a look like you're glowing within, and that's what I find with these cream blushes. It's just such a pretty like glowing, I have it on today. It gives you this like lit within type corally look, and I just love it for summer. It dries almost like a, I don't want to say matte, but really becomes one with your skin. I feel like it looks honestly like your cheeks are supposed to be that color, your skin is supposed to be that color. Even if you're doing minimal makeup and you don't even want to do foundation, you could just do like highlighter and this blush, and it's just beautiful because it just gives that, honestly, with the name of it, second skin look. So I love this color. I always pull it out in the spring, summertime. And no exception, I've worn this all summer. I really, really love this. It's just a nice like pop that's gonna give you that natural, like you've been outside look. Okay, lip products. I have the two that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and I'm not necessarily wearing two. I'm wearing mainly one of these, but both of them have been my favorite, and I think that they're interchangeable. I would say you don't need both, but I love both colors, so I'm just gonna tell you the difference between them both. So this one is, these are the YSL Rouge Volupte and the shines. This one is number 12. And it's just like a very like punchy coral color. I just find that these are so easy to throw on the lips. They give a little bit of color. If I just want a little bit, sometimes I put that on and I just kind of, you know, work it into my lips and it gives my lips a stain all day. This one is number 46 and this one has a little bit more orangey to it. Again, it's lighter. This one's darker. This is 46. So one's darker than the other, and I don't know, they're just both, honestly, they're both interchangeable. This one has a little bit more orange, like 46 has a little bit more orange to it. This has a more coral, I would say. But like I said, you do not need both, but both of these colors I love. And if you want like a corally poppy lip, these are just the two that I took with me on my trip. I wear them all the time. I pull them out. I think they're easy. And I think that if I were going to be spending the money on a YSL lipstick, one of these would be a great option because it's like you always want that like pop of coral, but it's, you know, you can have 100 nudes. But if you're gonna have like that pop of coral that you're wearing, but not all the time, this is just like such a great option for it because the formula is so good. So I love these. If you want a more affordable option, I love the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Glosses. This one is in Audie's. This is just a really pretty color and it can give you that same sort of like juicy look. It doesn't have as much pigmentation, but you could just use like a lip liner and then put this on and it just gives you that really nice like shine on top of it. So I love these so much. They smell like mint. I think I did an entire video on those, so if you are interested. But it just gives you a little bit of tint with a pop or a hint of color if you are a little bit more nervous about wearing like a coral lip. So I love the coral lip look, just having a little pop, especially in the summertime. It's like one of my favorite pops of colors. But if I'm going for a nude, I've been wearing MAC's Pure Zen recently. This was like an old faithful for me and I just pulled it out and brought it on my trip to Michigan. It's just such an easy, like it's a very, very nude, but it's just such an easy nude shade. Let me see if I can, no, that's probably the best swatch I can get. But I just wear this with like a really nice nude lip liner and it just looks really pretty because it's like almost like a peachy hint of pink, but not too pink, not too peach. And when I wear it with a nice lip liner, it just goes on like butter. So this is one of my favorite nude lipsticks from MAC. And I would call this or consider it like a purse lipstick. It's an easy throw on lipstick because you're not gonna go kind of out of the lines. It's like a good reach for and grab for nude. All right, that is it for my Friday favorites and flops. Hopefully you guys had such an amazing week and an even better summer. I will, like I said, try and be better about posting videos. Leave me some of your favorites down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.